My name is Nathi. I've been here for a month with Wild and it's been amazing. I'm from South Africa. People from my community live very near to the reserves. Many people don't love these wild animals, but then when you get to know them, I think they will change their mind and they will love them. I used to fear hyenas, but then I've been here with Wild. They were very close to us. I was looking to the monitor of the camera as the hyena was approaching, and I felt like it's looking at me. That was the best moment for me, because I think that moment is the one that's changed the way I think about hyenas. That fear, it's now gone. Now I think I feel comfortable near them. This course meant a lot for me because I was not used to different rigs. I got to see the differences between the cameras, Red, Sony, Panasonic. I learned a lot of composition, how to combine your story, your sequences. Graduation is coming up. I'm very happy. I'm looking forward to it.
What will it mean to show your mum your showreel?
I think she won't believe what I just did, because even myself, I don't believe I'm the one who did that in my showreel. The first day when I came here, I was very nervous. It's okay to be nervous, but then that nervousness must not take you down. I'm very proud of myself.